Hi everyone! I want to jump on here real quick because I've had a lot of questions on how to water your containers when you live in an apartment and you're gardening on a patio, balcony, don't have access to a hose bib, or are not able to install drip irrigation. Now I've got drip in most of my containers here, but I do have a few where I haven't installed it yet for whatever reason. Sometimes I like to move the containers around, or maybe I just haven't gotten around to it. So the easiest way to do this without dripping down on your neighbors down below is to use a plastic little storage tub like I have right behind me here. So all you have to do, especially easy when you're gardening in a CaliChem 5-gallon Smart Pots or another small container, is just put your little container right into the storage bin. Make sure it's all filled up with water. And let it sit there maybe for an hour or so till it's all soaked up, till it's a lot heavier. When your container needs water, it's going to be a lot lighter. So once it's soaked all the water up, it's going to be nice and heavy, and the soil will turn a darker brown color on top. So that's a good indication that it's soaked up all the water. Now I've got some straw mulch in here, so it's going to be kind of hard to tell. But once you've left it in there for a good amount of time, it feels nice and heavy. You can just take it out and then put it in a little drip tray so that the water doesn't damage your patio or balcony or soak down to your neighbors below. A couple of advantages to this method is, of course, you're not going to drip down to your neighbors below if that's your situation, but your container is also going to soak up a lot more water this way, which means you're going to have to water a lot less often, saving you time, and it's a lot less time consuming than watering with a hose and a nozzle or bringing pitchers back and forth to your kitchen if you don't have a hose bib. And just be aware, make sure you do check your containers a lot more frequently when the weather is hot, because they're going to dry out quicker and need watered a lot more often. So hope this little tip helped you. Let me know how things are going in your container garden, and make sure you check out my seed shop over at CaliChemGardeningHome.com. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.